So how are you? I am perfect. And what about you students? How there can be no voice? Is me audible? Okay, thank you. I am perfectly fine, bache. Yes, thank you God for that. Perfectly. So anything new you are having with you to share, to talk? Anything you would like to share? My day is perfectly going on and hope it ends good. Okay, let's shift to the topic. Today I'm having something different to discuss. Let's increase our vocabulary. You people are very much interested in the vocabulary, I know that. So let's have some of the idioms. Okay, the first idiom is at once wit ends. That means perplexa. Sonam was its at his wit end. To that younger brother, he has taken the position. Okay, the second one is at at one's wit end. मतलब क्या है कि Sonam was at its wit end to find that his younger brother has taken the position. इसका मतलब क्या है? मतलब she was so excited. At one's wit end means when a person is so much excited. So at that time you can say that at one's wit end. It was at its wit end and she was really very happy after having a new car. Now is it clear? It's perplexia. Perplexia. मतलब ये होता है कि परप्लेक्सिया का मतलब होता है कि माइंड में कंफ्यूजन, इतनी एक्साइटमेंट हो गई कि उसका यंगर ब्रदर ने फर्स्ट पोजीशन या एक पोजीशन हैज टेकन अ पॉइजन. सॉरी 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 सॉरी, slide is properly scrolled बच्चे, that is not an issue. at one's wit end means when perplexia, that is something when a person is in very confused state. मतलब एक्साइटेड तो होता है पॉजिटिव वे में, बट ये कंफ्यूज होता है नेगेटिव वे में. सोनम वॉज एट इट्स विट एंड टू फाइंड हिज यंगर ब्रदर हैज टेकन पॉइजन. वो इतनी ज्यादा कंफ्यूज हो गई कि उसके यंगर ब्रदर में मतलब पॉइजन ले लिया है. आई नो दैट इट इज नॉट क्लियर, आई डू अंडरस्टैंड, बट प्लीज लिसन टू मी टू गेट इट क्लियर विद यू. एट वंस विट एंड, विट्स एंड मतलब क्या होता है? परप्लेक्सिया. इट मींस कंफ्यूजिंग स्टेट. कि वो इसी का सेंटेंस आगे बनाया है कि सोनम वॉज एट इट्स विट एंड टू फाइंड दैट हिज यंगर ब्रदर हैज टेकन द पॉइजन. मतलब वो इतनी ज्यादा कंफ्यूज हो गई कि इतनी ज्यादा उसको मेंटल डिसऑर्डर हो गया कि उसके छोटे भाई ने क्यों जहर लिया है. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट नाउ? इज इट क्लियर? इज द फर्स्ट पॉइंट क्लियर? So when someone is very confusing state, then you can write that he was at its wit end. Okay? You can say that population is increasing a lot or at an alarming rate with so many problems that the government is at its wit end how to resolve it. Now is it clear? अगर ऐसे में यूज करना पड़ जाए तो हमने कैसे यूज करना है? ओके, एट वंस फिंगर टिप्स. मतलब जब हम क्या कहते हैं एट वंस फिंगर टिप, जब उसको बहुत ज्यादा नॉलेज होती है उसकी, तो क्या कहते हैं? ऑल द रूल्स ऑफ सिंथेसिस आर एट हिज फिंगर टिप्स. आप कह सकते हो ऑल द रूल्स ऑफ इंग्लिश टेंसेस आर एट अवर फिंगर टिप्स. मीन्स अब हमें उसकी कंप्लीट नॉलेज है. At one's fingertips means when we are having the complete knowledge of the thing. At the spur of the moment, without delay. In an interview we must reply at the spur of the moment. मतलब इंटरव्यू में क्या होता है, हम डिले नहीं कर सकते ना क्वेश्चन को. जो पूछा है हमने उसी टाइम आंसर करना है, हम डिले नहीं कर सकते. तो वहां पे हमने जब इंस्टेंटली, जैसे आपकी क्लास है, आई कैन डिले दैट इफ आई हैव गिवन यू द टाइम बाय 6, सो आई हैव टू टेक द क्लास एट द स्पर ऑफ द मोमेंट, मीन्स विदाउट एनी डिले. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. You make the sentences of first one. At one's wit end. Make a sentence of that. Everyone. Start. Perplexia, confusing state. COVID has. बनाओ सेंटेंस आप लोग. फर्स्ट वाले पे बनाओ पहले. At one's wit end, that is confusing state. Perplexia. इस पे सेंटेंस क्रिएट करो. Everyone was at its wit end in the situation of sudden lockdown owing to coronavirus. When I started about the accident of my mom, when I heard about, ठीक है. Fumes has increased at alarming rate. Scientists have wit and how. No, Jyotika. Make a grammatically correct sentence. There's new coming from China that there's a news coming from China that another disease is going to spread in India. The government is at its wind and as already due to coronavirus, there are a lot of expenditure already बाद में गरिमा नहीं लिखना था. She was going market, then I was praying to Lord. ये क्या? Then I was praying to Lord. He was at its wit end when he found the situation of emergency in his country. ये ठीक है शिवम का. मैम संजमस मुझे नहीं समझ आ रही. संजमस क्या होता है? जमस जमज. What is jamaj? I was at my wit end when I saw a snake in my room. ये ठीक है. मैम बैक्टीरिया कह सकते हैं. बैक्टीरिया किस लिए लिखना है? जर्म्स केड़ी है. ज्यूम्स को जर्म्स कीड़े मकोड़े होते हैं जो मुझे समझ आ रहा है. Rest 61 people are online. Why your people are not making the sentences? She was at its wit end when her mobile is lost. When her mobile lost in the market. मैंने simple past कराया है. That is subject plus verb का second form. उसमें is नहीं आता. Mr. John was at his wit end when he came to know that he is not eligible for the placement drive because lack of skills. Because of the lack of skills. He saw at her wit's end when she heard news of the accident. Scientists are at its wit end when short circuit happened at hotel at Plaza Hotel. Everyone was at wit end and want to leave the place. हाँ जी क्लियर हो गया ज्योतिका. I was at my wit end when I saw a big dog. Even I am very much afraid of the dogs. She was at its wit end when she saw car accident in the market. हाँ जी थोड़ा सा इनकरेक्ट है. मैंने करेक्ट कर दिया था आपने सुना हो तो. ओके बस 4-5 बच्चे हैं जो सेंटेंस बनाते हैं आउट ऑफ द 58 स्टूडेंट्स. दैट्स वेरी बैड. ये ज्योतिका है, शिवम है, सुमन प्रीत पता नहीं कोई है, बाकी अरबिन है, बाकी तो सब कुछ भी नहीं करते हैं. Why? Rahul was at its wit end when he heard the news of bomb blast in the house. A have very हाँ जी दीक्षा आप भी हो. Scientists were at its wit end when the fuel of the rocket was over. When the fuel of the rocket finished. That's very good Diksha if you make sentences. मनी भी मैम करती हूँ. मैं भी मैम करती हूँ. ओके बाकियों को भी बनाने चाहिए ना. आई शुड नो दैट. अगर मेरे को दिख रहा है मेरी क्लास में 58 स्टूडेंट्स हैं तो मुझे भी तो 58 सेंटेंसेस आने चाहिए ना. Why you are people are just attending the class and not contributing? You should. Perplexia means it's a you can say disorder. Disorder क्या होता है? जैसे बंदा बंदा क्या हो जाता है, कमला हो जाता है ना, दिमाग में कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ जाता है, that is disorder. When the brain, ये परप्लेक्सिया ब्रेन के अकॉर्डिंग डिसऑर्डर है, जब when the brain is not working how it should work. Okay, now let's go to the second sentence, everyone. At one's fingertip. At one's fingertips. You have many at one's fingertips. What is this? No, that means complete knowledge. If you have knowledge at fingertips, then and only then you can get a good job. All the concepts of economics are on my fingertips. I have physics at my fingertips. ठीक है. To become a skilled pharmacist, one should have the classification of the drugs that all the fundamental rights are on his fingertips. Duties किसके ऊपर है? अभी बताओ फिर. The important rules of the English must be on our fingertips. Nice. She was at its wind end when she saw the lion in the market. Yes. I have a fingertips rule. He is so much fond of cooking. Kotel ka pandit. If you have math formula on your finger, then you can get good marks. I have a fingertip rule in computer science. I have a complete knowledge in computer science. ठीक है. Explore one or more of these resources and review the information available at your fingertips. All the math formulas के spelling ही गलत है. FORMULAS. She has all the grammar rules on her fingertips. Rahul is very smart. All the physics rules are on my fingertips. Ma'am has at fingertips about English. Ma'am has the knowledge at fingertips in English. Okay, let's go to the next point now. At the spur of the moment. Without delay. मतलब at the spur of the moment का क्या मतलब है कि without delay हमने कोई बात करनी है तो in an interview we must reply at the spur of the moment. Are on my fingertips. Yes, with बिना देरी से bin Arvind. At the spur of the moment. During the time of emergency, medical first aid should be given at the spur of the moment. ये गलत है वीना रानी. The English. Everyone needs to be in the seminar at the spur of the moment. Yes. I shall reach at your home. I have economics in my fingertips. On my fingertips. In बीच में थोड़ी होएंगी. He can decide on the spur of the. We go to Delhi without at the spur of the moment. Everybody please came to the English seminar at the spur of the moment. Okay, you understand जहां पे आपको without delay लगाना है वहां पे आपने क्या यूज कर सकते हो, एक इडियम या फ्रेज, एट द स्पर ऑफ द मूवमेंट, ऑल इन ऑल। ऑल इन ऑल का क्या मतलब होता है, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट। As he was the only son in a big family, he was all in all in his home. He was important in his home. ठीक है, ऑल इन ऑल के ऑल इन ऑल बनाओ। You can say for an IAS exam clearance, training is all in all necessary. At close quarters, that means पहले all in all के sentences बनाओ। We are two daughters of our parents, but my sister is all in all our house. Sister is most important in our house. She may not be brilliant. My father you are all in my family, ये ठीक है, my nephew is all in my family. Jesus is water is all in all for life. Water is most important for education is all in all. All informatives are my mother is all in all my heart. Fine. This is the sentence. It is clear to you. At close quarters. At close quarters का मतलब क्या है? Close examination. Many of my friends proved selfish at close quarters. At close quarters means close examination. At all quarters, you will find everyone to be selfish. I clear the IAS exams all in all. All in all ये ठीक है, clear IAS examiner most important. The way you have used is not fine. I observed so many insects in my home at close quarters. Very nice. At close quarters means close examination, जब आप बहुत नजदीकी से देखते हो, At close quarters everything seems to have some defects. अगर हम उसको किसी भी चीज को बहुत नजरिए से देखते हैं तो हमें पता चलता है कि उसमें कुछ ना कुछ डिफेक्ट है ही है. आई एम गॉन टू दिल्ली. पहले दिल्ली के स्पेलिंग ठीक करो बच्चे. It's all in all to know Jesus is the only savior on this earth. Very important. Very good. I saw so many nasty things are at close quarters. See, things at close quarter are at close quarter. God's all in all my life. God is most important in my life. God is all in my life. फिर हम लिख सकते. I frightened when I saw my shadow at close quarters. Okay. Apple pie order. Apple pie order. In perfect order. Every mother suggests the things in the home should be at apple pie order. Okay. Okay, Jyotika. At close quarter, when with my mother is always cleaning the house in an apple pie order, in a perfect order. Is arranging the things in the house in an apple pie order. My table is apple pie is arranged in an apple pie order. हाँ जी, लेक्चर रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. The boss shall be kept in the library in an the boss should be kept in the library. The librarian should arrange the library in an apple pie order. हाँ जी, ये सही है. I always arrange my books in an apple pie order. I love to arrange everything in an apple pie order. अब ये तो नहीं भूलेगा apple pie order at one's wit and at one's finger tips at the spur of the moment. All in all, she completed her notes in an apple pie order. Very good. Okay, let's move to the next. Above board. मतलब honest and straightforward. बस come to the next 7th one. Above board, honest and straightforward. He is known for his above board conduct. ठीक है शिवानी, अब इधर आ जाइए प्लीज. स्टॉप टाइपिंग. कम टू द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. अबव बोर्ड. अबव बोर्ड मतलब जो बंदा बहुत ही ऑनेस्ट और स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड होता है. योर पर्सनैलिटी शुड बी अबव बोर्ड. मतलब शुड बी योर पर्सनैलिटी शुड बी अबव बोर्ड मतलब शुड बी ऑनेस्ट एंड स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. अबव बोर्ड. My all teachers are above board. Very nice. Very honest and straightforward. She always seems too rude because of her above board nature. Very nice. Above board is one of the best quality of an IAS officer. I am above board. I am honest and straightforward. ये कौन कहता है? Urban. Very naughty student in my class. An ideal citizen. Mother's love is. My brother is above board. ये क्या है? The officer is so above board. Is so honest and straightforward. Very nice. My mother has above board nature. My mother is above board. Is honest and straightforward. ऐसे आए. In the Sophia Institute, all teachers are above board. They are very. My father is above board. No one likes her because of her above board nature. It's difficult to find a person. My father is above board. My sister is above board. Nature के Nature. My car driver is above board. He's very honest and trained. The ma'am is above board in our government service. Okay, God is always honest and straightforward. Very nice. Jesus is my above board. My Jesus is above board. Okay, now please come to the next one. Above all, सबसे ऊपर, before everything else, the most important, above all, it is very important to be honest. above all के लिए बनाओ. above all का मतलब सबसे सबसे जरूरी क्या है ना? above all, before everything else, above all, he is blunt and dare a devil. blunt है और devil का मतलब क्या होता है? Yes, above all. Very nice. Shaitan. Yes. Above all, we need to have a we need to be a good person. ठीक है. Jesus Christ is above all for me. Jesus Christ is my above all. Above all, we must walk in the rightness. God is above all. Jesus is above all for me. Okay, a fit as a fiddle. He is as fit as a fiddle means he is strong and healthy. A person should be as fit as a fiddle means a person should be as strong as recommended. Police catches thief. At random, the militants fired at random, killing a lot of innocent person. The militants. Very nice. My father is as fit as fiddle in my family. My brother is as fit as fiddle. My life is as fit as fiddle. A cricket player should be as fit as fiddle. The dog was hit by the car. My brother is. I read the sentences जितने मैं पढ़ सकूं. My gym trainer is as fit as fitter. My mother is as fit as fitter. ठीक है. Stop. As fit as fitter का मतलब है कि as strong and healthy. Okay. Let's move to the next. At random. To their parents how they can be strong and healthy. ठीक है. बस फिट एंड फिडल बंद कर दो. बस 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 बस. चलो. एट रैंडम मतलब होता है एमलेस, फटाफट से. जैसे कुछ आपने ऐसे करके पिक क्लिक कर दी. यू डिड इट एट अ रैंडम. यू कैन पोस्ट लाइक विद द कैप्शन दैट अ रैंडम क्लिक. ठीक है. तो एट रैंडम का मतलब होता है उसके पीछे कोई एम नहीं होता. जस्ट यू डिड इट. तुमने कर दिया वो काम. The militants fired at random, killing a lot of innocent persons. The militants fired at random. जो मिलिटेंट्स थे उन्होंने क्या करा? फायरिंग की एट अ रैंडम विदाउट किलिंग अ लॉट ऑफ इनोसेंट पर्सन्स. आई गॉट मी. आपको मिली थोड़ी. आई क्लिक्ड. हर बॉस पिक्ड बरीना एट रैंडम. बेबी इज रेगुलर प्लेइंग एट रैंडम. एंड आई गॉट मेनी ब्यूटीफुल पिक्चर्स एट रैंडम. आपको मिलती हैं पिक्चर्स, आप क्लिक करते हो. या आई वेंट टू द ब्यूटीफुल यू कैन से प्लेसेस रैंडमली, एमलेसली. फिर रैंडमली वर्ड आएगा. इट शुड बी अकॉर्डिंग टू द सेंटेंस. यू नीड टू अरेंज द सेंटेंस यार. ऐसा थोड़ी होता है. पुलिस फोर्स के स्पेलिंग सही करो पहले. FORCE is all the time at random. I didn't like this sentence. I selected my topic for project at random. When I was gone to Chandigarh, then I clicking the pictures at random. When I went to Chandigarh, I clicked pictures randomly. When I went to Shimla, I take decision to go to Delhi randomly. My best friend speaking randomly. At randomly. I went to the market at a random. ठीक है. ठीक है जी. Please now let's go to the next sentence. At a loose end. लूज एंड मतलब अनऑक्युपाइड, आइडल. आइडल क्या होता है? वेला बंदा. Nowadays he is at a loose end because he has wound up his business. मतलब आज के टाइम पे वो क्या है? वेला है. क्यों? क्योंकि उसने अपना बिजनेस जो है वो वाउंड अप कर दिया है. ठीक है. एट अ लूज एंड मतलब जिसका कोई जो कहीं पे भी मतलब स्टिच्ड नहीं है. स्टिच्ड का मतलब क्या होता है? व्हेन समवन इज अनऑक्युपाइड, है ना. मतलब उसको कोई काम नहीं है, वो वेला है. यू कैन से इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू बी एट द स्टेट ऑफ लूज एंड. मतलब बहुत औखा है वेले रहना. Yeah, you can say that in the COVID many people lost their job, so they are at loose end. People was at loose end in the days of lockdown. Very nice, Ravina. Berozgar. Vela means unemployed, idle, who is not having any work to do. This coronavirus time, many in this coronavirus, many people are at loose end. Lockdown days, many employees have at loose end. I am losing to do something. No. Try to make good sentences. Think while you are making the sentences. It's not like कि just time pass हो रहा है. No. Students' life are at loose and till job getting. नहीं. Students' life is after completing our qualification till our employment we are at loose end. पर्सन ऑल पर्सन आया तो फिर क्या आएगा अरबिन? सिंगुलर थोड़ी प्लूरल है, आर आएगा. ही इज डिप्रेस्ड ऑफ हिज करियर. नाउ ही इज एट लूज एंड. एज नाउ ही इज एट लूज एंड. He is at loose end because he have no any job. He has no job. In these days, all the persons are at loose end because they were not going digital market, because they were not joined business. They are not doing. I am at loose end to do something. ये क्या लिखी जा रहे हो? Lots of people are at loose end their job and now they are looking at a loose end. He is depressed of his career and he is at a loose end. Yes. Brother in the COVID is at loose end, is idle. ठीक है. Before the COVID, there was no one at the loose end. My best friend is at loose end because after her graduation. Ram is not a board exam prepared. He is at loose end. All people COVID time lose end. Nahin. No helping verb. No sentence structure. How is it can be possible? Right now, Indian economy is at loose end. Indian economy is idle. No. Today's era of deserving youth is still at the loose end. Still idle. Yes, ये sentence ठीक है. For the survival in this modern era, happy is a loosened after post graduation. Just give me a minute. I'm having a call. India is filled with at loosen end because government does not bother. During the lockdown, some people's beta ji people is plural. Western countries during the lockdown, some people in the Western countries are at loose end. क्या समझा दो राधा और शिवम को बताओ. Nowadays she is at loose end because her company was because her company is bankrupted. My neighbor is at loser end. Oh, अब गलत sentences. My friend is not listen advice now. Just now he is in the prison. Yeah, please make good sentences. At loose end is that when someone is idle, you can say that it's very depriving that someone is at loose end. Due to corruption, a high number of deserving candidates are at loose end. My friends always messaging me because they are at loose end. Because they are idle. ठीक है. लवली कॉपी पेस्ट कर दो बैक चला गया मैसेज. ओ माय गॉड. ज्योतिका इज कंसर्न. Okay, please let's move to the next slide. 13th वाला करते हैं. एट ऑड्स. एट ऑड्स का मतलब क्या होता है? इन डिस्प्यूट. The members of the group were at odds over the selection procedure. इसका मतलब क्या है? जो ग्रुप में मेंबर्स थे वो क्या थे? मतलब डिस्प्यूट में थे जो जिस वे से सिलेक्शन हुआ है. ठीक है. एट ऑड्स यू कैन से दैट अ फैमिली वाज एट ऑड्स व्हेन इट वाज द टाइम ऑफ सेपरेशन. फैमिलीज में क्या होता है? यही होता है ना. Okay, now you are going to make the sentences at odds. At odds का मतलब in dispute. लड़ाई के टाइम में जब मतलब डिस्प्यूट का मतलब क्या होता है? जब कोई पंगा चल रहा होता है दैट इज डिस्प्यूट, है ना. तो यू कैन से at the times of odd people behave arrogantly. The farmers act at odd after the farm bill. Some areas of Assam are at odd because of the tribal issue. India and Pakistan were at odd in 1947 due to independence. Pakistan between India at odd. My friends were at odd because she got the first position in the members of the center and the state at odd care Supreme Court. Both Armenia and Azerbaijan are at odds for a piece of land. At odd, emergency is announced. At disputes, people are shocking during the ये क्या during the people are in a shocking behavior at odds. My sister at odd with me when I irritated her. Australia between India at odd. At the time of odd, people change their behavior. Recently, our relatives with Pakistan at odd. India and China were at odd in 1962. Raj and Rani are at odd after. In dispute, ये क्या? चलो छोड़ो, आप तो बहुत ज्यादा सेंटेंसेस बनाना शुरू कर देते हो. लीव. Try to use it in a very good way. Revise it. Tomorrow I will be taking the test and you will be answering me. Fine? So learn it. Okay, next one. An apple of discord. Cause of quarrel. इसका मतलब एन एप्पल ऑफ डिस्कॉर्ड का मतलब क्या होता है? कॉज ऑफ क्वार्रल, लड़ाई का कारण. एंसेस्ट्रल प्रॉपर्टी इज एन एप्पल ऑफ डिस्कॉर्ड बिटवीन द टू सिस्टर्स. आप क्या बना सकते हो? इशू. अ कॉज ऑफ क्वार्रल क्या होता है? Promotion in an office is an apple of discord between the two friends. What you don't understand? ज्योतिका, what you don't understood? An apple of discord का मतलब क्या होता है कि लड़ाई का कारण कौन है? An apple of discord. Ancestral property is an apple of discord between the two sisters. At cross purposes, having conflicting intentions. How can there be peace in the family when husband and wife? Yes, very nice sentence, Bindu. Ladakh is an apple of discord. Means there is an issue between China and India. The partition of this property is an apple of discord between the two friends. Wrong behavior is an apple of discord. Two brothers are always fighting because land is an apple of discord. Ancestral properties is an apple of discord between the two siblings. An arrogant person always becomes the apple of discord in all manners. Third person is always the reason of an apple of discord. Kashmir is an apple of discord between India and Pakistan. Phone is an apple of discord between the two sisters. Wow, a great sentence. Even you can say the remote TV remote is an apple of discord between the siblings. फैमिली के स्पेलिंग गलत है भाई. Two friends are always fighting because land is an apple of discord. Property is an apple. Bus. I am over with hearing your sentences. Now I will be moving to the next sentence. At cross purposes. How can there be peace in their family when the husband and wife at cross purposes? Having conflicting intentions. At cross purposes का मतलब क्या होता है? जब हमें लगता है कि हमने लड़ाई ही करनी है, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ही खड़े करने हैं, हमें हमारा ध्यान ही इसमें होता है कि हमने लड़ाई करनी है ना. जैसे यू कैन से सिस्टर इन लॉज हैव द रिलेशन, सिस्टर इन लॉ जनरली आर एट द क्रॉस पर्पसेस. I am on the next sentence. Please do that. At cross purposes means having conflicting attentions. You can say that India and Pakistan are always at the cross purposes. After once, they can't be in the joint family because both brothers are at cross purposes. China at cross purpose always against India. China helping verbs भी लगाओ. China is always at the cross purpose against India. ऐसे आएगा. The members of the Lord House where the two government departments are working at the cross purposes. Shoti Buhu and Badi Bahu. My goodness. Two of my friends at cross purposes. The Pakistan is at always the cross purposes against India. Neighbors are at cross purposes. Means having conflicting attentions. Fine. The neighbors are always. Generally, I and my friend center at cross purposes. Two sis are at cross purposes. I hope this time he will not say that we are talking at cross purposes. Huh? Okay. After one's own heart, to one's liking. When Deepa meet a man after her own heart, she got married to him. Wow. At one's own heart, after one's own heart, जो बंदे को दिल से लगता है और वो करता है, मतलब जो बंदे की अपनी लाइकिंग होती है, उसके लिए वर्ड है आफ्टर वंस ओन हार्ट. Jesus' words are after one's own heart. I will do hard work to get a job after my own heart. I choose German Shepherd after my own heart. Own's liking, I choose German Shepherd. He buys a new car when he saw it after his own heart, to his own liking. ठीक है. At the bottom, to be mainly responsible for. It was found later that Shanu was at the bottom of the whole trouble. मतलब जो बंदा रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, in and all you will be at the bottom of your result in a competitive examination. 17th वाला कर रहे हैं हम, वो देखो यारा. आफ्टर एट द बॉटम. एट द बॉटम का मतलब क्या है? टू बी मेनली रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर. जो बंदा मेनली रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, यू कैन से दैट one is at the bottom, you can say, of his career. One is responsible, generally responsible for his career. Getting? Now you are going to make sentences of this. At the bottom of the person who is responsible, whole soul responsible, you can say that you are at the bottom of a student to taught them. You are responsible for the conflict between the two brothers. It was their wives who were at the bottom. ऐसे आएगा, who were at the bottom. My mom is at the bottom of the solution for all the problems. I am you. आप अच्छी तरह नहीं बना रहे हो sentences, so it is very important that tomorrow, up to tomorrow, you should make the sentences. इन सारे सेंटेंसेस को बना के रखना है, एक एक अपने लिए क्वालिटी सेंटेंस. थिंकिंग ऑफ इट, दिस इज योर होमवर्क, because you are making sentences but they are not grammatically correct. I have taught you some of the tenses. Start applying those sentences, those grammatical rules. Shiva make good sentence. एट द बॉटम का मतलब था जो सबसे ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबल है उस चीज के लिए. You can say in a family, father is at the bottom to bear the expenses. Father is whole soul. Richa ma'am is at the bottom about the student. Richa ma'am is mainly responsible about the students. Oh my God, Sophia, क्या हो गया? At a loss. मैंने बताया है आपको, आप ऐसे लिखते हो एट द बॉटम. You can say that father is at the bottom to bear the expenses of a family. Our minds were at the bottom of all the problem. My mom is at the bottom. My pastor is at the bottom of our church. Employees are at the bottom for their mistakes. Doctors are at the bottom. Doctors are responsible for their patients. Jesus Christ is at the bottom of healing. Teacher support is as at the bottom to build good future of the students. A lazy person is the at the bottom of his own failures. At the bottom, she is her father's daughter. Jesus healed our persons. In an industry, the workers are at the bottom of their production. My father is always at the bottom for her career. My teacher is at the bottom related all subjects. We are at the bottom of an IAS exam. Right behavior is at the bottom of respect. ठीक है जी. At a loss to be unable to decide. I am at a loss to know what to do. छोड़ दो बस. Tomorrow make the sentences, quality sentences for every, you can say, idiom or a phrase being discussed. Now we are on the 18th, and that is at a loss. That means to be unable to decide. I am at a loss to know what to do. He is at a loss after completing her graduation that whether to study or work or do job. तब भी ठीक है. टेस्ट नहीं है. You are going to make the sentences. I am at a loss about my career. I am unable to decide about my career. Yes, he is at the bottom for the decision of her future. I am at the loss to choose my career. Career के spelling. At the bottom, the chief of an Iris villa. ये क्या है? At a loss मतलब होता है to be unable to decide. To be unable to decide. I am at a loss to know what to do. She is at the loss to settle in the city or stay at her hometown. At daggers down means to have a bitter enmity. That means the quarrel between the two brother has got bitter now and they are at daggers down. मतलब वो क्या है, वे एक दूसरे के बहुत दुश्मन बन चुके हैं. ये बिल्कुल सही है पारुल का. आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग द PG, after completing the PG, I was at the loss to choose the right career. People keep their things. He was at the loss to choose the right PG. अच्छा जी, अब ये बनाओ. At daggers drawn. To have bitter enmity. Enmity मतलब एक दूसरे के दुश्मन बन जाना. कड़वे दोस्त, कड़वे दुश्मन. The quarrel between the two brothers has gone so bitter and now they are daggers drawn. मतलब एक दूसरे को खा जाएंगे. The countries are at the daggers drawn about the use of the canal that they share. Very nice, Diksha. Nice. People keep their things at a large at always. A small land is an apple of discard between the two brothers, and now they are at daggers drawn. China and India is at the daggers drawn. China. Ram and Sham are at daggers drawn from the first day of the school due to the position in the class. Two friends are daggers drawn. They won't like to talk with each other nowadays. ठीक है. At large का मतलब क्या होता है? To keep unchanged. People keep their dogs at large at night. मतलब जैसे at large मतलब जिसको चेन नहीं बांधनी, हुक नहीं बांधनी. You can say that parents should keep their children at large for better career. The two counterparts cannot help each other because of their danger drawn. ठीक है जी, बिल्कुल सही है सोफिया. Nowadays, India and China are at daggers drawn. They are always at the dagger drawn. I have never seen them. They are friends. Manu and Dimple are at daggers drawn. ठीक है. अच्छा जी, at large के बनाओ. Some people can't change their nature. Have can't. Some people can't change their nature. At large. Keep unchanged. Unchained का मतलब क्या होता है? Unchained. इसका मतलब होता है कि उनको बांधा नहीं हुआ कहीं से. जैसे वो कहते हैं डॉग्स को रात को मतलब वो बांध के नहीं रखते. पेरेंट्स शुड नॉट parents should not nourish their children at large because it will spoil their career. Dogs not a large tonight. Rahul and his wife is a daggers drawn by a misunderstanding. Parents should at large for the education of their girls. It's okay. Jesus and the devil are a daggers drawn. मैंने at large के बोला, आपने बनाया ही नहीं. So will you study these 20 you can say phrases? बताओ. Please study them. Try to make good sentences of that. Tomorrow we will revise and I will see who is going to submit the good sentences. Fine. बना लो at large का, मैं कह रही हूँ. To keep unchained. Every member in the family should be at large so that he can enjoy his life. The man who tried to kill her is still at large. ठीक है. डॉग्स की स्पेलिंग सही करो बिंदु. वर एट लार्ज टू फाइंड इट थीफ. We must try. My teacher can't enlarge our education pattern. एट लार्ज का मतलब होता है कि किसी चीज के साथ उसको चेन नहीं किया हुआ, हुक नहीं बांधी हुई, खुला छोड़ा हुआ है कि वो कुछ भी कर सकता है. Every person have the right at large to go another country. To go another country, not other country, another. Nowadays when it is comparison then it is another, otherwise अकेला वो other ही होता है. And days because new education system students feel at large. The government should at large the restrictions imposed on a foreign companies. Should. Very nice, Shivam. Okay, so I think these things are little clear to you. Revise it, come up with the doubts by tomorrow, make good sentences, and tomorrow we will discuss more sentences on it if you people have worked on it. So this is your homework for the day. Fine. Thank you. Good night. Stay blessed. Stay happy. Good night, G. Good night. God bless you too. Bye bye. You please also take care of yourself. Bye bye.